Here we are at the Cabazon Dinosaurs. You can see one of them behind us here, and if you spin the camera around, because it is a 360 shot, you can see the other one, which is much taller, and they're in their Christmas best.
They are ready for the holiday spirit.
Yeah.
Right off the 10, if you want to actually go and look around inside the dinosaurs, it's $13 for adults, $10 for children. And we highly recommend it. Or if you want, you can just stop by here and get some photo ops of a very, very large green Santa Claus.
Yep. Are we going to try to go inside?
We are actually going to go into both.
Both?
Both.
Oh, wow. Okay. Well, have a last look, because we're going to cut and go to a different shot.
Stay tuned.
Don't look now, but I think we're about to get eaten.
In Dino Land, is that what it's called? Dino Land? It's called Dino Land. In Cabazon, you can see there's like a ton of Christmas decorations. There's dinosaurs. This thing is massive. I feel like he's life-sized.
Yep.
There's a lot to see here, for sure. A lot to do and see.
Here we are in the mouth of the T-Rex.
All the times that you've driven by, and now we've officially made it to
Yep.
the very top. You can't get any higher than this.
That's right.
Very impressive. You also can't jump out.
That's good. I'm sure you're about to.
Yeah. We do have people waiting behind us, so we're going to be considerate.
Yeah, we're only allowed to have 1 minute in here, which I don't see how that's possible.
Trying to run through all of this inside of the body. Take a look around, will ya? Good stuff.
Like extend it if you want.
This is slippery. Ah. Good times here at Dino Park, especially on the inside.
Here is the eye.
There's his eyeball.
That's what the eye looks like on the inside, and the other one is right over here.
Not every day you get to experience this.
That's true. This is actually really steep.
Yeah. I say be careful. It's very like eerie and dark in here.
Steps are more narrow than normal steps, too.
I'm gonna pass by all the wonderful Santa Claus decor again.
Yeah.
Yeah, we made it. We did it.
All right, out we go.